Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to show you my fake GoPro. Just reassemble it back from parts to this. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's my fake GoPro. Has been reassembled it back. Very nice. For key 30 FPS. And for now, there's no battery because my previous battery has been swollen. That's very sad. I hope this camera still works when I insert a new battery for this. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for my fake GoPro has been reassembled from parts to this in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.